Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI on Facebook. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook. Click on that and you need to update your Facebook application. So once you complete that step you need to go back and open Facebook application, and then you need to click on this search icon on the top right. So once you click on that, here you can see ask Meta AI anything. So here you can see imagine a 70s living room. What's my learning style? So it is up to you what you want to ask. So I want to ask for longest road. So click on that and now it will generate response for me. So here you can see that it is now generating response from Bing source. So now I want to create an image. So you simply need to add slash and right here imagine a girl in desert. So click here and now it is generating response for us. So here you can see that. So you can use Meta AI to do many things, like here you can see that what you can do. So I show you an example how you can use. So you can see it's kitten videos. If you want to see, click you need to search this and it will show you different kitten videos from Insta and Facebook. Here you can see. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.